Hi everybody, it's TJ the Backpack Trader, here with another video to show you some of the virtues and magic of the Catapult Equities Swing Trader. This is a chart of the DIA, which is a Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. This is an excellent market to trade. You can trade options with this chart. These are daily bars. Notice the short trade here or the long trade. When you see a trade like this setting up at the right edge, well, speaking of the right edge, let's go to it right now. Since this happened a few trades ago, I'm just going to scroll forward. Let's get to the right edge because a trade is setting up right here. There's a long trade. If I wanted to trade options on this chart, which by the way, I do, I could merely click on this bar here and you'll see the trade set up right there and you'll see the entry 338.28. It already triggered in. Now, if you're not in the trade, you could still take it because it's still near the entry. If you want to trade an option, all you need to do is grab an option that's slightly in the money, a strike price a little bit below 338, and make sure you get one with enough time. I don't mind paying a little more to get more time because then I don't get hit with time decay, which is important because you want to give these trades time to develop. They deliver double and triple digit percentage gains when you hit these targets. You'll notice the targets are quite accurate. Look how perfect this target was before the market started going down. You got some setups here that never triggered in, so it stays flat. We know that because all the bars are gray. But right here, it's triggering in, bars turning green. So I can buy however many options my trade plan allows. Usually I'm risking 2% of my available trading capital. And so I could see what the price of the options will be. And as the price comes up and hits targets, I sell the option. Or if it hits the stop. Even if it stops out and loses, I'm going to be able to sell the option and recapture some of the premium, which is another reason to buy them far enough out into the future because the option holds its value. So even on a losing trade, you get some money back, and that goes straight to the bottom line. So when I click on this, you'll notice target 2, for example, is good for $12.54 per share if you're trading the shares. Obviously, you're going to make a lot more in an option. And you have a really great risk-reward ratio. Now, what about this first target that's gray? Well, you remember that I said gray means flat. There's a reason why that target is gray. Not all targets are gray. Here you have a trade with 2 gray targets. There's a really smart reason why that is, which I will explain to you in the next video. But for the sake of this one, I just wanted to show you how you can use this great strategy to swing trade with options. And you don't have to be very sophisticated and know too much about options. Simple call options when you're going up and simple put options when you're going down. You could lock down double and triple percentage gains. And just to illustrate how powerful this strategy is, I went ahead and marked up this chart as if we took these trades, this put trade here. If buying a January 2023 325 put slightly in the money, just a couple weeks later, you'd be exiting a part of your position here at target 1 for a $445 gain, 25% profit based on the cost of the option. And a few days later, you could exit another position for a $900 gain. That's a 50% return on your investment of the cost of that option in just a few weeks. Of course, you could trail lower for even more gains. Target 3, not quite enough juice in the gas tank to get that low. Trailing stop would have taken us out right here for more profits. And then check out the next trade, a long trade, a March 2023 310 call, also slightly in the money. Just a few days later, you'd be exiting with $1,140 per option for a 55% potential gain. And of course, you're still trailing up locking in more profit if you have more options going for bigger targets. You would have doubled your money at the point of exit here. $2,065 for 100% gain on the cost of that option. And then stopping out with the rest really close to that level. And look how perfect that was before the market started to go lower. I'll be talking more and more about these trades going forward. In the meantime, make sure you register for the up and coming early bird special release of the Catapult Equity Swing Trader. Notice how the trades often look and feel like they've been flung from a catapult. That's how it got its name. I've got some bonuses to share with you on the day of the webinar. You're not going to want to miss it, but you got to get on the list in order to get the invitation. Can't wait to see you there. And be on the lookout for the next video. This is TJ with the Backpack Trader and the Catapult Equity Swing Trader.